Hi guys, this is Petra, and in this video we're going to be using the Betty Crocker pizza maker to cook or to bake one big cookie, and the flavor is Reese's Pieces. We're using the Betty Crocker cookie mix Reese's Pieces flavor. To make this cookie you need the 11.9 ounce package of mix, 2 tablespoons of butter softened, not melted, and 1 egg. You can use a batter bowl or any mixing bowl. Soften your butter there, then add the egg, then add the package contents of the cookie mix. Stir vigorously until it forms a wet dough. This might take about 2 minutes. Then get a piece of parchment and scoop out the dough onto the parchment. With a spoon, you can spread it out to flatten it as evenly as possible. Don't flatten it too thin, because then those edges will become crisp. Plug in the Betty Crocker pizza maker. The red light will go on. Transfer the parchment onto the center of the pizza maker. Close it and wait for 8 minutes. Set a timer. This is what it looks like at the 8-minute mark. It's nice and soft. If you want a soft cookie, pull the parchment off now to cool. If you wait 1 more minute, it's going to be slightly crisp. If you wait another minute, you're going to have some toasty edges and toasty bottom on the thinner parts. So I recommend 8 to 8.5 minutes. And this wedge here is perfectly cooked. The bottom is a little crispy, but the top part is soft and delicious. I hope you liked this video, guys. Thanks for watching.